Phew, it's getting warm up here. Our planet Earth isn't feeling so well. It needs our help. But don't worry, because you are about to become a planet protector. Ready for your super secret mission? By the end of this video, you will earn your official Planet Protector badge and receive 3 top secret missions to help heal our amazing home. So, put on your capes, and let's get started. First, let's understand why Earth needs our help. Imagine our planet getting a really bad tummy ache. That's what happens when we throw away too much trash. Landfills are overflowing, and sometimes, our animal friends get stuck in things like plastic bags. It's a big mess. And that's not all. Have you ever seen dark smoke coming from cars or big factories? That smoke goes into the air, and it acts like a thick, heavy blanket wrapped around the Earth. It traps the heat and makes our planet way too warm, causing it to feel sick and feverish. And then there's water. When we leave the tap running while brushing our teeth, all that fresh, clean water just goes down the drain, wasted forever. It's like pouring a delicious drink right onto the ground. These are serious problems, but the good news is, we have the power to fix them. Are you ready for your first mission, Planet Protector? Your mission is to become a recycling ranger. It's easier than you think. Look for special bins for plastic, paper, and glass. When we sort our trash, we can turn old things into new things. See these plastic bottles? They can be transformed into a brand new toy or even a cool swing set for the park. Every time you recycle, you're giving trash a second chance and keeping our planet from getting that awful tummy ache. So, next time you finish a juice box or a yogurt cup, remember your mission: find the right bin and recycle. You'll be a hero for keeping our planet clean. Okay, Protector, time for mission number 2. This one is all about power. You are now an energy saver. All around our homes, we use electricity. It powers our lights, our tablets, and our video games. But making all that electricity can create that yucky smoke blanket we talked about. Your mission is to stop wasting energy. It's super simple. When you leave a room, what do? That's right, you turn off the light. Finished playing a game on the TV? Power it all the way down. Every time you flip a switch or unplug a device, you send little sparks of power back to the Earth, helping it feel stronger and breathe easier. You're fighting that sneaky heat blanket with every single click. You've got the power, energy saver. Get ready for your final and most refreshing mission. Mission number 3, become a water warrior. Water is super precious. We need it to drink, to grow our food, and to stay clean. But we have to be careful not to waste it. Remember that running tap? Your mission is to protect every single drop. When you're brushing your teeth, turn the water off until you're ready to rinse. Challenge your family to take shorter showers. It can even be a fun game: see who can be the fastest. Every time you save water, you're making sure there's enough for everyone, including the plants and animals that share our world. A happy little water droplet is giving you a big thumbs up. Great job, water warrior. Look, our Earth is smiling again. The bandage is gone, the fever is down, and it's looking so much healthier, all thanks to you. You've learned the secrets to becoming a true planet protector. Now, it's time to make it official. Raise your hand and repeat after me: I promise to be a recycling ranger. I promise to be an energy saver. I promise to be a water warrior. I promise to be a planet protector. Congratulations! You are now an official planet protector. You've earned your badge and you have your 3 secret missions. Remember, even small actions can make a huge difference in helping our Earth. Thank you for joining our team and completing your training. Don't forget to ask your parents to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next adventure. Keep up the great work, planet protectors.